Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw in Notion. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to draw in Notion. The first thing to do is to launch Notion in your browser and sign in. Then open the page where you want to add the drawing. Let's say I have this page here. I'm going to hover over here and delete this. Okay, then click on an empty space. I'm just going to head over here and click on enter. So click on an empty space, which I have done here, and type or go ahead and press the / key to open the block menu. The next thing to do is to type embedded. So embed rather. Then once you type embed in the block menu search bar, go ahead and select embed from the options. Now in the embed block, you can use an external drawing tool. For example, you might embed a drawing from a tool like Micro or Figma. So for simpler drawings, you can use a tool like Sketchpad or Canva. So go ahead and create your drawing in these tools and get a shareable embed link. Okay, so this means you can head over to Canva or you can head over to Sketchpad, Miro or Figma, that's Miro or Figma, and then paste the drawing link in here. So once you have pasted it, go ahead and click on embed link to add the drawing to your Notion page. Now you can adjust the embedded drawing, which is, so we're gonna go over that again, then backward. So we're going to use this backward slash and embed. Embed, click on that. Then I have a URL to paste, and I'm going to do embed link. It's loading up. Okay, it says it refused to connect. Okay, so there's a drawing here that I embedded, so it refused to connect. But if you can try other options and it connects, then that's pretty much okay for you. So you have to ensure that you have a strong internet connection and you have a lot of data to get this done. So I'd like you to note that of course Notion does not have a native drawing feature. So the drawing capabilities come from embedding third-party tools or using image files. So for simple sketches, you might consider using the image block to upload and display drawings created in other applications. Okay, so how do you get to the image block? So just head over to the top here and click on add cover. And once you click on add cover, it's just going to take you through. Okay, so this is just change cover. So you can click on change cover, or you can add a different cover. You can click on upload and upload something else that you can use for this purpose. So I'm just going to have to click on remove. Now this pretty much it. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.